Boom, YouTube. What's good? Y'all see the title, y'all saw the thumbnail, man. First retwist in 1 year. Alright. The thing is though, I may have clickbaited y'all.
Oh my god, bro.
Remember breaking in the houses? Okay, where the cameras at? Now I got like 30 G's, stuff that's out of that. Boy, if you don't get. In all honesty, it's been about 9-10 months, alright? It's been about 9-10 months. Which is valid to say a year, because if you think about it, bro, 10 months without getting your hair retwisted is crazy. Now, real quick, let me address the elephant in the room. I know I haven't posted on here in about 10 months. Hey, man, it be like that. I was over on my gaming channel streaming, put in works, you know what I'm saying? So, my fault. I didn't mean to hit you. But that's besides the point. You came here for a first retwist in a year, so let's just get straight to it. So I'm gonna take you guys back to day one that starts a year ago. You know what I'm saying? So the day that starts the counting of 1 year without a retwist. November 21st. Wait, where's the picture? Wait, where's the picture? November 21st, 2023. This is the day I got the retwist. As I'm filming this today, it's September 28th. Today is September 28th, all right? So if I had waited January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, September,
You stupid.
in 2 months, it would have been a year. If I would have waited 2 more months, that would have been a year. It's been 10 months. 10 months, a year, same thing, you know what I'm saying? Relax. All right, so this is me. I was under the dryer, you know what I'm saying? I was drying. That's probably the thing I dislike the most about getting my hair done is sitting under the dryer, because like I'm just sitting under there, it's hot. It's already hot outside, bro. It's 100 degrees every single day, triple digits. Now this is me on my way home from getting the retwist. This picture says 2024, but this is November 2023. So yep, this is the same day. You can see the length of the hair. It's pretty long. Some of them are down past my jaw. That should give you an idea what these look like right now. Now with this one, I had just said, just retwist me, no style. I just got a twist, no style. But yeah, this is the same day, November 21st. I know it says November 1st. That's just a typo on my part, all right? It's supposed to say November 21st. I didn't put the 2. Now this is a few days after the retwist. Just me chilling, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying? Just lounging. This is January 12th. This is a month after that last picture. You can see within 2 months that my new growth is already growing a lot. I was saying this picture, that's about like maybe like a 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 an inch of new growth. All right, now we got February 3rd, 2024. Now this is actually 2024. I'd say still about it's a 1/2 an inch of new growth, nothing too crazy. I was actually at one of my brother's concerts. He performed outside at this nice venue. It was pretty dope. I met this shorty there too. It was this cute white girl. She was cute, bro. We was chopping it up, you know what I'm saying? But it was just on some friendly stuff. It was just, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't doing nothing crazy, but hey, if you're watching this, you know who this is. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta talk to a shorty, you gotta flirt with her and then just never see her again. You know what I'm saying? And just don't ask for an Insta, don't ask for no number. Just keep it pushing, bro. You can even just compliment, keep it pushing. You could just punch her with a compliment, keep it pushing. I don't know why I said punch. You gotta mean it, bro. Don't just compliment a girl just to be complimenting her. Like, you dudes is weird. Like, if I ever compliment a shorty, that compliment comes from my heart. Alright? If you've ever received a compliment from me, just know that I truly meant that. That's besides the point. Now we got February 2nd. The new growth and all, this is like what I normally picture myself as when I'm like just rocking out like with locks. I was actually inspired to get my locks by this one YouTuber. Her name is Lauren something. I'll put her, shout out to her. I'll put her on the screen. She was actually my inspiration to get my hair locked because I was watching a whole bunch of videos and then I came across hers. I don't remember which one it was, but I came across hers and it was like, dang, let me just do it. I don't know what it was. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I slid in her DMs too.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell I slid in her DMs. I'm not gonna lie, I slid in her DMs. Like, I'm just sometimes, bro, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, bro. And I had to, you know what I'm saying? I had to get the shot off. I had to shoot the shot. It wasn't, I didn't shoot it though. I didn't shoot the shot. I kind of just like, it was just kind of like a, Kamal's here. You know what I'm saying? You could get the, you could get the.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I think the reason why I normally see myself with like a little bit of new growth, like this picture, the February 2nd, It's cause like when I think of locks, for some reason I think of them holistically, and I got my locks was more so for the spiritual aspect. I know some people have their opinions on that, but I could care less, you know what I'm saying? I think what I think, you can think what you think. Our hair holds a lot of power, not just looks wise, but also spiritually. What did Pusha T say? The power's in my head, nigga. I get it to the chair, nigga. Soho, Tribeca, 3 hoes, trifecta. The fuck? The power's in my head, nigga. I get it to the chair.
Tribeca, 3 hoes, trifecta.
Certified banger right there. You know, you know. Yeah. All right, boom. So I'm pretty sure this is a day after the last picture, showing you guys how it looks in a do-rag. Before I got my locks, I was like, once my hair looks like this in a do-rag, I made that. Once my hair looks like this in a do-rag and I don't gotta like pull extra on the locks so that they poke out the do-rag, that's when I know I had it. You know what I'm saying? That's when I knew. That's when I knew. It's February 16th, 2024. Now that new growth is like, the new growth is popping low key. Like once it starts getting frizzy on the new growth part, that's when I know. I'm like, all right, it's finna be time to get a retwist. You know what I'm saying? But moving to March 11th. You know what I'm saying? I think in this picture I was out of town. I don't remember where. That one lock on the left that you see right there, you can see where it got twisted in. It's kind of poking out. I low-key was peeping that and I kind of rock with it. You know what I'm saying? I'll zoom in on it. I don't know. It looks kind of cool. But this is just me, calm little smirk. You know what I'm saying? Here's the same day, March 11th. This is March 14th, 2024. I'm just showing, I don't know what I'm doing. To be honest, I was going to make up an excuse saying I was showing the length of hair. I don't know what I was doing because you can't even see the bottom of the hair. Like, I don't know what I was doing. Just tweaked out, probably off of being. This is March 22nd, 2024. Now at this point,
You need a retwist, bitch.
you can see, you know what I'm saying? Forehead busting out the seams as always. I was gonna bring that up, but I feel like there's a picture where my forehead looks crazier, so we're gonna wait for that one. Here with this one, you can see I just put my hair up. Now with this picture, my head's kind of like tilted. You can see how much hair I have. I got a lot of hair on my head. The total count of my locks is about 115. Like it's somewhere around there. Now I did combine them, so before this picture, it looked like I had way more, and I did. This is April 9th, 2024. Just showing y'all what I'm rocking with. Another selfie, just showing y'all how it looks in the do-rag, you know what I'm saying? This is May 7th, just me outside, you know what I'm saying? Laying on the trampoline. You gotta get sunlight. You gotta get sunlight, you gotta get fresh air. We're inside all day. Go outside, get some fresh air. Take some deep breaths. Another picture of me outside. You see the sharp jawline, goatee, mustache, you know what I'm saying? Me just vibing outside in nature. You can see the hair get long now, looking like Medusa up in this joint. As you can see, I have a mini afro under my locks. It kind of looks like I have a mini afro. If the locks weren't there and I picked out what the new growth is, it'd be a pretty good amount of hair. This is May 25th, 2024, just in a red scully. Now this picture really exuberates my hair. Like you can see the depth of my hair and how thick it really is. Pause. And then coming up on May 31st, 2024, you know what I'm saying? This is me. I just put it up in a bun, have one hanging down. Now from that point, I don't really have any other selfies to show you guys. Y'all get the gist of it. This retwist was a long time coming, so let me show y'all. All right, I just got out the shower, cleaned up the stubble off my face a little bit. This is the main style I've been rocking ever since my hair has just been like all crazy, cause you know what I'm saying? It don't look bad. It don't look as bad when I put it up. It's currently 10:41. My appointment starts at 11. And I'm 20 minutes away. All right, it just turned 11 o'clock. I'm still on my way there. I'm about 9 minutes away. You can see, I would say this is about like three and a half inches of new growth that I got. It's about 3.5 inches of new growth that I got. Dang, my forehead busting. Watch, y'all gonna see after the retwist, my forehead always be busting out the seams, bro. It always be busting. Like I be trying to make my hair maneuver, but ever since I was a little jit, bro, my hairline's been tossed, bro. I'll put a picture on the screen. My hairline's been tossed since I was a kid, so it's like, you know what I'm saying? I can't do nothing about that. I can't do nothing about that. I've had my hair locked for a total of about, I want to say like almost 3.5 years, to be honest. It's been almost 3.5 years. I got pretty good length. I'm excited to see what this retwist is gonna look like, just because it's been so long. It's been so long, bro. It's been so long. But I'm pulling up right now. See y'all inside.
Right up in the front, so they can see me cutting up. I'm like, oh.
And here is one of the most soothing parts of the retwist. It's the wash. There's just something about someone else washing your hair. It just hit different. I don't know what it is. Is it just me? It might just be me. But real quick, let me explain to you guys what I mean when I say my hair is combined. So if you peep on the lock that she's about to start twisting, it's one, but then towards the end it branches off and there's two. That's because, you can see right there, that's because, as you can see in this picture, I have a lot of hair. So what I did was get 2 strand twists. Then instead of taking them out after a while, I just got them retwisted. So I retwisted 2 strand twists. And then any stubborn ones I didn't want to combine, I just got those crocheted. As you can see, we back in the dryer, just chilling, waiting, and yeah. I was playing chess on my mobile cellular device, so time actually went by pretty fast. As y'all can see, man, I'm back in business, bro. Y'all see how I'm feeling? Hey, look, check it out though. Check it out, 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 check it out. You know what I'm saying? She got me right. She got me right. Hey, man, hide your kids, hide your wife. You got a daughter over the age of 18? Hide her. If you have a wife, hide her. Keep her inside. Shout out to Renaya at Fine Dreadlocks. You know what I'm saying? She got me right. Their Instagram is gonna be right here. They're in Arizona and they're in Minnesota. If you're in one of those states, pull up to them. Just say Kamal sent you. They gonna get you right. Trust me. They gonna get you right. Oh yeah, about my forehead. Since I was a kid, bro, my forehead just been on something crazy, you know what I'm saying? My lineup been something crazy since I was a kid. And I realized, I started tripping, but then I realized, bro, ever since I was a kid, my hairline been chopped, bro. It been chopped. Look, this is my license picture, bro. 16 and a half. Or, yeah, 16 and a half in this picture. That's why I'm rocking with this, bro. I don't even care, man. You know what I'm saying? My hairline really isn't crazy. And keep in mind, I don't got a haircut right now. Getting a retwist for me is enough. Like, if I was gonna hang out with Shorty, then y'all see me with a haircut. But besides that, I'm good off that. I would just get this tapered and then get this lined up. There's nothing really to line up right here because she laid it perfectly. But I just get these lined up, get this lined up, taper this, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm looking right. Besides that, that's gonna do it. I appreciate you for watching. I'll see y'all later.